dentist. When I grow up, I want to be a ballerina teacher. When I grow up, I want to be a police officer. When I grow up, I would like to be a veterinarian. When I grow up, I'm going to be a black belt.
I wanna rap, yeah, I know it's hard to believe, and I can tell you're already thinking I will never succeed. I know this probably isn't really realistic, and honestly I might end up and make a difference, but that don't make a difference, I'ma have to risk it. I've been crunching numbers, you ain't gotta be a mathematician, and see the odds ain't rooting for me. I can't lie though, it's kinda how I like it to be, the underdog, and you probably think you know what I mean, but what I'm saying is they ever push me, I'm gonna split. Yeah, getting down like everybody else. Graduating, trying to get a job that doesn't pay the bills. It don't make a lot of sense to me if you get the Happy Meals. I don't like the dollar menu, I would rather make a meal. Make a meal, no, I said make a meal. Home cooking, get the grill. How you want it pretty well? Everything I see is over done to me, I'm not a doubt. I'ma get a record deal, say hello to nothing. I just wanna sign a record deal. Maybe buy a house up in the hills. Oh yeah.
Thank you.